The day is here and the time has come for you and I together as one. For a lifetime united we'll be. So take my hand and dance with me. Take my hand and dance with me. Let's celebrate for the world to see. We'll have a lifetime to make our history. So come on, baby, and dance with me. All eyes are watching as I draw you near, and as we dance it's perfectly clear that I'm the luckiest guy that I know, to hold you in my arms till I'm old. Take my hand and dance with me. Let's celebrate for the world to see. We'll have a lifetime to make our history. So come on, baby, and dance with me. Oh, we'll dance together. Oh, we're gonna dance forever. This moment now will come and go, but when it's gone I want you to know there's not one thing that I'd rather do than stop the world and dance with you. Take my hand and dance with me. Let's celebrate for the world to see. We'll have a lifetime to make our history. So come on, baby, and dance with me. Come on, baby, and dance with me.
I'll always remember that first day of winter. You were just out of high school, I was 19. I was scared half to death when I knelt down and gave you that ring. We got married June 2nd at a small country wedding. Went away for a weekend to start a new life. I'll never forget the first time someone called you my wife. You were nervous that night in our room. I gave you a kiss and I whispered to you that the best is yet to come. Darling, the best is yet to come. Every sunset reminds us to chase new horizons. Our journey is only begun, and the best is yet to come. We were just getting started, found an apartment, slaved and struggled to save every dime. I used to worry about how we would ever survive. Sometimes we'd argue, sometimes we'd cuddle. We both made mistakes, but girl, how we tried. When I lost my way, honey, I let your love be my guide. You were my beacon of strength. You always said at the end of the day that the best is yet to come. Darling, the best is yet to come. Every sunset reminds us to chase new horizons. Our journey is only begun, and the best is yet to come. She's such a beautiful daughter with eyes like her mother, a gift sent from heaven. She's something to see. I counted my blessings tonight as we rocked her to sleep. Oh, it's such a wonderful life. I can't wait for the morning. Let's turn out the light, 'cause the best is yet to come. Darling, the best is yet to come. Every sunset reminds us to chase new horizons. Our journey is only begun, and the best is yet to